Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Living channel. Today I got an urgent job alert for you. It's a fresher opening. If you are looking for a new opportunity or considering a career change, this video is for you. In this video, I will be sharing the job role, industry and relevant details. Stay tuned for the full details and don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more job updates and career advice. So coming to the job role, it is a fresher hiring Python developer role. It will be posted 2 days ago. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Coming to the JD, the Matrixbuz technologies they are hiring for the peoples who are looking for fresher. Here the complete job description, and this is a full-time position located as Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Multiple locations are located. The ideal candidate will have 0 to 1 year of work experience in Python programming and will collaborate with our development team to build and maintain various software projects. For schedule your interview, send your resume to naman@matrixbus.com. Coming to the qualification, they are expecting strong proficiency in Python programming, effective problem solving skills, and with a sharp analytical mind mental skills. Here are the complete job description. You need to write down clearly and you need to apply through LinkedIn as well. Otherwise, you need to go other website, Matrixbuz Technologies. You need to apply this website as well. We have multiple locations: Bangalore, Chennai, India, Hyderabad, a full-time role. So here, complete job description also mentioned to read down clearly everything. And I can give you the both of the links in the this channel below job description. So please apply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Thank you.